Hello, I am Katie from thecraftyblogstucker.com, and today I wanted to share with you some fun crafting supplies and tools. Every year I go to Creativation and I get to see all of the newest products and supplies from all the leading crafting companies. This year I was unable to attend, but my friend Janet from Try It Like It Create It was able to gather some samples for me so I could still share them with you. I have this fun big box that I'm going to break into. So let's see what some of the new fun supplies are. First up is AdTech, the maker of adhesives, and I love these double adhesive tape runners. These are my absolute favorite. I use these all the time in all of my paper crafting tutorials, and I'm excited to see some new glue gun options. We've got one with a nice ergonomical handle, which is going to be great because I have arthritis in my hands. This is a cordless glue gun, so that is super exciting. Also with the nice trigger. These are going to be really fun to play with and try. Artistry has a coloring book or coloring pages. Ooh, these are so pretty with the butterflies. The words are backwards, and that is so when they are sublimated, they are facing the correct direction. But you color these with sublimation markers, the Artistry sublimation markers, and then when you apply them to your sublimation blank, you have a beautiful design. Here's a super cute Namta tumbler, and this is from Craft Express. Craft Express supplies all sorts of sublimation blanks, as well as some presses and ovens for sublimation. From Deco Art, they have a new marker maker. You mix this with acrylic paint and you can put it in one of these DIY markers and it makes acrylic markers. I think that is such a great idea. I'm super excited to try to make some of my own markers. You can make them in any color, and that is a new fun product to try. I received some beautiful new paintbrushes from Dynasty Brush. I love new paintbrushes. That's a nice watercolor brush, a stencil brush, and some angled brushes. Sizzix is an Ellison brand and got lots of fun Sizzix supplies. We have a blending tool set, a textured 3D embossing folder, a texture tool. This is a layered stencil and stamp set. That is going to be a lot of fun to break into and play with. And this I think is really, really cool. This is a Sizzix dimensional diffuser. So if you're doing a card front and you want a specific area not embossed for a stamp, then you can use this tool to leave that spot empty and it won't emboss in that area. I think that is just so cool and so innovative. A hinge adapter for their press tool. From Emerald Creek, we have some new stamp designs, as well as these beautiful layered flower embellishments and this really pretty glitter texture that you can add to your paper crafts. This cute little satchel is from John Bead. Super cute accessory beads. Oh, those are super cute. Strawberries and tulips and hearts and clouds. These are really cute beads to make some bracelets and maybe some keychains. There's a whole bunch of different jewelry findings in there. I love these beads. They're so cute. From Little Birdie, we have these cute paper flower embellishments, stamps, and a matching die, stamps and a matching die, stamps, and some words. Those are all so cute. From Royal Talons, there is this mixed media paper and a sketchbook. Royal Talons deals a lot with paint and paper. From Art of Creative Studios, we have these cute marker squiggles. These are dies, and those are super cute. From Spellbinders is this two-tone metallic spray. This doesn't come with any liquid in it. It is just that powder inside, and all you need to do is add water and shake it good, and then you have a spritzer. So you don't have to worry about it leaking while it's being shipped. These white gel pens are from Sonic Studio, and if you are a paper crafter, you definitely need some good high-quality white gel pens. We've got a couple different colors and even some glitter from Sculpey. I don't know if you can see that glitter It's so pretty. As well as some liquid polymer clay that's great to use with mini molds that you can then use for jewelry or use them as embellishments for paper crafting. Love liquid polymer clay. As well as some sculpting tools to use with the clay. Last but not least, from King Art, we have lots of beautiful markers, acrylic brush pens, twin tip, and dot and fine line metallic markers, as well as this beautiful box of brushes. Ta-da! Look at how pretty those are. Love these paintbrushes. Keep an eye out for these products in my upcoming tutorials. And if you want any more product information about the items that I just shared, make sure to check the description of this video. Thanks everyone. Bye and happy crafting.